hey, you can see everything. So this video may look a little bit different than it has before. Yesterday, I got a new phone. I got the LG V20, which is actually made for making videos. So I'm gonna be sorry if my eyes are focused on the screen, because the screen looks so crisp and clean and clear, but the camera's in a different spot than it was before. It used to be on this side. Now it's over here on the other side. Okay, it's a little bit different, but it's a little bit getting used to. But, oh man. I don't know if you can see that, but it is raining now. The agenda for today, she's got a basketball game at 2:30. Anthony is at track practice. I already dropped him off early this morning. He had to be there to set up, but he said his running events aren't until 11 o'clock. It's 10:30 now, and we're heading that direction now. We made it to the game. We're here, and
it's not called a game.
That's right.
It's called a meet.
It's called a meet.
I know,
I'm used to saying
different sport.
I'm used to saying game, but it's not a game. It's a meet.
Yep.
Okay. She's underneath the umbrella. It's starting to hail. Let's see if I can catch one. Oh, you did! It's right there!
What does it taste like? It tastes like chemicals from Ohio River.
Yeah, it does. Good luck, son.
You don't want my umbrella? Ready? 1, 2. Do you know what it's called?
And then the sun comes out.
When it rains and there's the sun? It's a sun shower.
I never heard of sun shower.
It's called a sun shower.
I want it to be sunshine.
I want it to be sunshine too.
And now it's sunshine. Pick one. Pick one.
Casey, pick it up!
Let's go, Anthony!
Third and final call for the 4x1. Third and final call for the 4x1.
Oh, that's weird.
Let's go, Anthony!
But Anthony!
Come on, Anthony, let's go!
He failed. Come on, Anthony! All right.
We just saw Anthony run. It was a little after 1:30, so we're heading to the car now because she's got a basketball game.
My cushion!
We didn't win that game, but by far one of the best games that we have this season. So good way to close out the game and the season. So
we needed a 3-pointer to win.
We
Or
did.
2.
So Kadence wants to watch the last game, so we're gonna sit and watch that game for a minute.
Villanova lost. Villanova lost.
So, okay, quick update on my bracket. I had Villanova going all the way to the end.
Winning it.
And I just found out
By me?
off of the app on her phone that Villanova has lost to Wisconsin. Why? We got track out of the way. Anthony did awesome at track. I wish you guys could make it out to the next track meet. Kadence finished up her last game. We didn't win, but man, was it a great game. I wish you guys would have seen all of it. I would have filmed all of it. So we're gonna go get, what, pizza?
Pizza and my mom a shamrock shake from McDonald's since you forgot about her.
That's right. I keep forgetting about my wife. I'm no longer gonna forget about her. We're gonna go get pizza. We're gonna get a 2-liter, and then we're gonna get 1 shamrock shake just for my wife. All right, we got pizza, and now we gotta go get a shamrock shake for
Mama!
Hi, welcome back. May I take your order?
Yes, I was here last time. I forgot to get a shamrock shake for my wife. Got the shamrock shake ready.
Banana.
Yay! That's right. You didn't forget me.